Welcome to my channel. This is Yameba Simple Understanding. So today we are going to learn how to solve question under Gaussian elimination method. So how to use Gaussian elimination method to solve the solution to a system. So so this is the question. Polar Bear Housing Engineering Limited has a total of $100,000 to be invested in stocks, bonds, and a money market account. The stocks have a rate of return of 12% per year, while the bonds pays 8% per year, and the money market account pays 4% per year. They have decided that the amount invested in stocks should be equal to the difference between the amount invested in bonds and 3 times the amount invested in the money market account. How should the company allocate their resources if they require an annual income of $10,000 from their investment? So here, for me, we don't know the amount invested in stocks, bonds, and money market account. So first of all, solution. So stock should be represented as X, okay, and bonds should be Y, and because we don't know them, so we don't know the amount invested in them, so money market account should be equal to Z, right? So this they are saying Polar Bear Housing Engineering has a total of $100,000 to be invested in stock, bonds, and money market accounts. So your stock, the number of the money invested in stock plus money invested in bonds plus the money invested in money market account should be equal to 100,000. So we are going to get X plus Y plus Z is equal to $100,000. So this is our first equation, equation 1. So let's go to the second one. Okay, from here, let's do this one first. So they decided that the amount invested in stocks should be equal to the difference between the amount invested in bonds and 3 times the amount invested in the money market account. So difference in amount invested in stock and bonds will be, what is stock? Stock is X and Y, bonds is Y. So the difference will be subtraction, so minus Y. So they have decided that the amount invested in stocks should be equal to the difference between the amount invested in bonds and, so there will be plus here, and 3 times the amount invested in money market. So 3 times the money market is Z. It's equal to 0 because you don't know the amount. So there's it. So X is the stock and minus the bond, which is Y, plus we brought plus because there was N here, so N means plus, so plus 3 times the amount invested in money market. So 3 times is equal to 0 because you don't know the amount. Okay, let's go to the next one. So from here, the stock have a rate of return 12%. So you're going to get 12% is equal to 0.12 stock x. So plus, while bonds pays 8% per year. So 8% is equal to 0.08 is bonds, so you bring y. Okay, and the money market account pays 4% per year. So 4% will be equal to plus 0.040 per year. So how should the company allocate their resource if they require an annual income of $10 from the investment? So annual income will be equal to the annual income, which is $10,000. So $10,000. So equation 3. This equation 2. Equation 3. So these are the 3 equations which we are going to use to find the value of x, y, and z.